Hello, Jason with Tormach. Let me introduce our new M-Series 1100. I'm excited to share this with everybody, so let's just jump into this, discuss the features and specs on the new 1100M. So let's just start from the bottom and work our way up from there. The stand and chip pan have been designed with coolant and chip management in mind. We're trying to keep all those everyday maintenance tasks as simple as possible for everybody. So all the coolant and chips and everything are going to flow right to the center of the machine, down into a centrally located coolant tank here. It has a real nice large chip basket for a lot of capacity, has a built-in coolant level sensor, and has provisions for an oil skimmer or any other accessories that you may need. The enclosure has been designed for easy installation, efficient operator accessibility and interaction, and improved styling. It's just a nice looking machine. The doors, as you can see, they're mounted on linear rails, so they slide real nice, real easy to work with. And there's real large access panels on the back side for any maintenance or clean out that you may need to do. The machine is easy to install with plug-and-play accessories, including a pre-installed 4th axis wiring kit, minimizing the time and cost needed to get the machine up and running. The 1100M offers 18 inches of travel in the X-axis, 11 inches in Y, and 16¼ inches in Z. It has a maximum feed rate of 110 inches a minute in X and Y, and 90 inches a minute in Z. This all comes in a nice compact footprint of 69 inches wide by 57 inches deep and 96 inches tall. The spindle is 2 horsepower and has a maximum speed of 7,500 RPM, helping you run smaller tool more efficiently but still affording you the power to take aggressive roughing cuts. Powering the machine is simple, requiring only 230 volt single-phase power, which is easily accessible in any household. Machine control is handled by our Pathologic control system. This utilizes industry standard G-code and offers a very easy to learn interface and all the capabilities that you need and expect. So it allows you just to get up to speed quickly with the machine. We have built-in conversational routines that allows you to do some programming right at the machine. We have built-in probing to allow you to help set up your parts more efficiently. And we also offer some accessories like USB I/O, which allows you to interface external components, say like a pneumatic vise or something like that, into your machine. So all these accessories are built into PathPilot. It's a software that we control and develop in-house, so we're constantly making improvements and enhancements to this as well. Thanks for watching. Check out more of our YouTube videos here, and for more metalworking tips, tricks, and stories, subscribe to our YouTube channel.